Hi, P Street Garage here. I'm going to do a quick little video on the backup camera of my 2016 Toyota Tacoma. I'm just going to compare it to a Toyota 4Runner. For my work this week, I have another rental. I'm not going to do a video on the 4Runner, but what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to compare the backup cameras to these two vehicles. Now, this is my truck is a 2016 Toyota Tacoma. And it has a backup camera, of course. And I really do not like the backup camera. I never have. And I don't know if there's something inside my lens that's making it foggy. Maybe some rust proofing might have got in there. Anyway, I constantly wipe the lens on the outside, and this is what my lens looks like. So I don't know if the camera can capture that, but it seems quite blurry. I mean, it's not a huge screen, but I'm not concerned about the size. I'm going to back up right now, and I'm backing towards this 4Runner. And the Toyota 4Runner is a 2021. Obviously, it's a newer vehicle, but I just find that this camera is just not very good. I don't know if you can see that, but there's the truck. And I mean, you can see the blue and the red markings. But the image is very blurry. And I'm not sure if there's something wrong with my camera or if this is how they were in 2016. I had a 2010 Lincoln Navigator, and its backup camera was perfect. So this is what I have with mine. Really don't like it. I don't know if this is normal, or if I have an issue, or maybe the lens might be dirty on the inside. I'm not sure. I'm going to switch the vehicles around. I'm going to hop in the 4Runner, and we'll see the difference. It's quite a big difference. Okay, so here I am in the 2021 4Runner. It's a very similar vehicle. Let's just start this up. It's got a little fancier dash and stuff, but let's turn some of these noisemakers off. Okay. So obviously the screen is a little bit bigger than my Tacoma. Let's put this truck in reverse, and you can see there's the camera of the 4Runner. Now I realize this is a 21, but I'm going to back up towards my Toyota, towards my Tacoma, and you'll see how much clearer the image is and how much better this camera is. Much clearer, no haziness. This is a nice camera. And again, when I had a 2010 Lincoln Navigator, it had a camera as good as this one. And I mean, that was quite a bit older than the 2016. So I'm wondering if anybody might know what my issue might be. Or is it common for these? Can these cameras get dirty between the lenses? I'm not sure. Is this a common issue? I've never heard this being a problem with the Tacomas. I mean, the Tacoma is a great truck. It's a very expensive truck. But the backup camera is just nothing like this one. I'm going to put the Tacoma back in the driveway now, because this is what I'm going to be driving to work. This is my rental for the week. So I'll back the Tacoma up in the driveway, and you'll see. I'm going to show again the difference. Okay, here we are back in the Tacoma. Okay, let's put this truck in the driveway. And there's my camera. I don't know if my recording can capture this or not. Maybe it doesn't, but you can see, I can clearly see how. I mean, there's some reflection from the sun and stuff, but the image is very blurry. Very blurry. I gotta make sure I don't hit the Mustang on the way back. I don't know if you can capture that. You can see the house, you can see the car. Maybe the lighting today is not great for this experiment, but there's haziness. It seems like there's haziness in this lens. I don't really, I don't know. It doesn't seem right. Never mind the shimmering there. That's because of the two cameras together. But this is not a clear picture. I hope this could capture it. And I'm just wondering if anyone has experienced this. Is this something that has to be taken apart and cleaned? Or has anybody else had an issue like this? Okay, that's all for now.